This report by Rappler Senior Investigative Reporter Lian Buan.
You just heard Nicholas Kaufman close his submission on the merits today for day 3. Remarkable in his submissions where he was really going after the insider witnesses of the prosecution, who we now can say are the Davao Death Squad insider witnesses. Parang sinasabi niya na how can the prosecution essentially so much as give them immunity from prosecution if they are themselves confessing to carrying out murder. Sabi niya, the prosecution will claim that they have not given immunity to these ruthless murderers, to quote him. But Kaufman said, essentially yun na yung nangyari because sabi niya, I dare you, we will not see these witnesses on the dock in the International Criminal Court or at any dock anywhere else in the world because they have been rehoused on the cost of the state party. So that was what was very significant on his submission on the merits. He was saying that to give, it's morally repugnant to give self-confessed murderers the chance to be immune from any suit just to be able to pin down an alleged murderer. Sinabi niya nga na two of the most star witnesses were offered up on a silver platter by someone that I cannot name. This is very closely linked to what's happening back home, considering that we have just seen those affidavits circulating back home about an alleged operation to help ICC investigators, although the Office of the Prosecution of the ICC has sent us a statement yesterday that it conducts its investigations independently and is funded by the approved budget of the court. To sum up, the really was a summary of the presentation is what Kaufman said is the lack of a direct causal link between Duterte ordering up and someone ending up dead. Kaufman repeatedly says that the Davao Death Squad is a media construct, and again he says there's no chain of order. There's no evidence that will say kung ano man yung sinabi ni Duterte at yun talaga ang nangyari sa dulo. If you see on your screen that ang tagal nung kanilang private session, before Judge Motok ended the session, trial lawyer Julian Nichols asked for a private session at nakita namin na may sinasabi si Nichols kay Judge Motok, si Judge Motok may sinasabi kay Kaufman. We will have no idea what is being said there, but that is how it ended, with a lot of details of who these witnesses are, and with Kaufman saying that the witnesses should be prosecuted on their own.
Yeah. Thank you, Lian. That's our Rappler